Thanks. I'm shaking. It's the first time I talk in English. I'm gonna read some because I'm really nervous. Well, hello. My name is Hernan Martinez. I am from Santa Fe. Santa Fe is an state of Argentina. It's a state there live Messi. Well, Messi, no. Che Guevara. The Pope Francis lived there long time ago. Well, I'm a system engineer. A year ago, I was no idea what augmented reality is. I have no idea, but I'm project manager in the government, and a senator requests a project of investigate the augmented reality for tourism in Santa Fe. Well, with my team, start to work, investigation. Well, before many providers. The project was cancelled very few months after they began. But I get the idea of continue, particularly in another applications. In this year we have elections. This is my state. It is composed by 19 counties and 61 cities, and we elect governors, representatives, senators, deputies, mayors in cities, and the idea is use augmented reality to show the results for the voting. Well, I show first, we are voting in Santa Fe. We have no electronic system, is not valid for us. We have two voting instances, a primary election, it was on April 19, where the candidates in their political parties become candidates for the general election, that is the second instance, and the final. And we use a single ballot, and we make a mark in each ballot. We put it in a box, in a urn. When citizens vote, they want to know as soon as possible the result of the election, because there are 3 million people and there are 2 million of voting people. It's very difficult to collect the data in a paper voting ballot. Yes, this is because the citizens vote in a urn, in a box. There is a table authority in each box. There is he had the ability to open the urn after the election, count the voting, and send this information using fax. Why fax? It's very old technology because it's legal in our country. The fax is a media that we can use. We receive the fax in a server. If the fax is valid, is printed, and there is a center with 300 operators. They charge by hand every data, and then pass to the server and the internet and a press room. Yes. So the results were updating in real time. Each ballot is reading, type, and pass through the internet when it's summarized. Well, on April 19, we have a huge problem. The telephone lines were off. The fax did not working. This is common in third country world like mine. Well, this is the process. Many problems. The authorities in the table are not not well selected, and then can't complete the telegram correctly. And we have much problems. Well, the yellow press destroys us. fraud, lack of votes. We can't summarize the 700 of boxes of the 7,000 boxes that we have. 10% of the votes were no good loaded in the system. So the press destroys us. Well, we have another instances. We have to change the media vision. So we have to make better things like defect prevention. Yes, we have to select better people, have a better lines of phones, and so on. And here we have the help of the augmented reality. How? If you look in the previous slide, a map is a marker. Yes? A map is a marker, and in a map we have the state, and inside the state, in the borders, we have another markers. The markers are the counties. The counties are on another markers, and if we use a phone or a tablet to show the marker, the state marker, we can use extrude cylinders based on the data that we collect, and the cylinders show up as the candidates obtain votes. Well, this is our test. I give you a marker and my telephone. Please bring me back because it contains chat with my girlfriend. And we show the results of the test with the cylinders of voting of the political parties, with the logo, the amount of votes, and the height if the percentage of votes. So I expect this clean up our work. This is not my core business, but I have dreams. Thanks.
Thank you. We do have time for some questions, Hernan, if you are interested. If there are any questions. If not, then we can wrap the session up. That was our last speaker, and